Most people think sustainable investing is just good for the planet. But it might actually be good for your wealth too. Sustainable investing, also called ESG, focuses on companies that are ethical, environmentally responsible, and well-governed. For many investors, it's not just about returns, it's about values. Here's the twist. Companies that lead in sustainability often attract better talent, innovate faster, and avoid costly scandals. Some studies show that sustainable portfolios can match or beat traditional ones, especially long-term. That doesn't mean every ethical stock wins, but it does mean mindset matters as much as metrics. Wealth isn't just about numbers, it's about the quality of the decisions you make over decades. If you want to think about money in a deeper way, subscribe to WealthFrame Media for more psychology and strategy behind smart financial decisions.